Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Bernice and you're welcome to Bernice Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make this quick chicken and vegetable stir fry. This is so easy and it's so simple to prepare. So firstly, in my bowl I have chicken and I'll go in to add my soy sauce, after which I'll add my oyster sauce, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and I'll combine these and allow to marinate for at least 30 minutes. So in my wok, I'm going to be adding some cooking oil and allow this to heat up, and after which I'm going to add my sliced onions, and I'm going to fry this for like 30 seconds. Please note, we would like to fry this on high heat, our veggies on high heat and not low heat. So I'm just going to fry this, and later I'll go in with my red capsicum, green capsicum and yellow capsicum, and I'll keep on stirring. Guys, at this point I realized that I have not stir fried my chicken yet. But I'll just go ahead and keep on. I'll just fry this, and after which I'll just fry the chicken. Yeah. So I've put the veggies aside and I'm going to put in the chicken into my wok, and I'm just going to cook this on each side for about a minute or till it becomes white or well cooked. This is chicken breast and it doesn't take time to cook, so you just have to separate this. We don't have to cook it the way it is, so I'm just stirring this so it will be easy for me to separate. So I'm just going to separate it for the heat to distribute evenly. And this other side is cooked, and I'm going to flip to the other side. And thank you very much to my returning subscribers. I love you all. You guys are the best. Thank you for your support and your love for us growing this channel together. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're very much welcome. Please do not hesitate to subscribe and be a part of this family. See, we eat and enjoy life in this family. Okay, so if you want to see how I prepare my meals and learn new ways of preparing meals, please join this family, and so we can grow this family together. And yeah, our chicken is well cooked now, so I'm going to reintroduce the veggies back into my wok. Now I'm going to season with some black pepper, thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm going to still go ahead to add some oyster sauce and some seasoning cubes to these veggies. This stir fry is very fast and easy. The only thing that is going to take your time is just prepping of the veggies, and that's it. So our stir fry is ready. I just had to stir fry this for like a minute for the ingredients to come together, and yeah, our stir fry is ready. And I'm going to be serving this, eating this with some white rice. Yes, so thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all, and please stay safe. Bye.